Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to do new player registration in All India Chess Federation website. This registration is compulsory for the players who want to play in FIDE rated tournaments in India. So to search the AICF, you can go to any browser. Right now I'm using Google Chrome browser and I typed AICF. It gives me many results. The first link shows https aicf.in. This is the official website of AICF. You can click this link. It will take you to the website. You will see a lot of information here, including our grandmasters from India. On your left hand side, you will see players tab. When you place your cursor on this tab, you will see three different options: player search, new player registration, and FIDE ratings. Player search is for the existing registrations, and in order to do the new player registration you have to go to this link. When you click, this will take you to a different page. Here you have to enter all the mandatory fields. Starts with the name. Have already pre-entered these names, so it is popping up here. And you have to give either father or mother name and select the relation accordingly. And mother tongue is not mandatory field, so if you don't want to give the value here, you can skip this. And you have to select the gender and enter the date of birth. Address can be skipped because it is not mandatory field. And you can enter the state here. This student is from Karnataka, so I have entered Karnataka state. You can enter your respective state and city and district details. And FIDE ID is not mandatory. For the first time registration, you will not have FIDE ID, so you can skip this. And player type, you can select player checkbox. This is the same process for even arbiter and trainer. That is the reason these two options are available. And you will see one more option here. Are you a PIO or OCI? PIO is person of Indian origin and OCI is overseas citizen of India. In simple words, this is for non-Indian citizens. Since if you are in India and registering this form, you can always make it as no. If it is yes, then you will have to give some additional information. Right now we are not covering that here. And if you just see below, there are two buttons. One is passport size photo and other one is birth certificate. For birth certificate, they mentioned it as optional, but it is better to give a proof of um, birth certificate for date of birth. When you upload these documents, ensure they are saved in JPG or PNG formats and the maximum size is 1000 KB. And for birth certificate, there are four formats available, but maximum size is 1000 KB. So I have saved the picture in PNG, which is less than 1000 KB. After I upload it, it will pop up a message like it is uploaded successfully. In case if you try to upload a different format or a different size, it will show you a red mark. It will not give you any pop-up like it is showing here in green color, like file uploaded successfully. So once you upload both the documents, you can click submit form. This will take you to a different window. Here you can see the AICF ID is already generated. You can copy this ID for your future reference, and you can also verify all other details before you go to payments page. Once you verify all the details, read the declaration statement and check the declaration checkbox and click on proceed to pay. This will take you to the payments page. Here you can just cross verify the name, email address, and the amount is 300. Whether it is a new registration or the renewal, the amount would remain the same of 300 rupees. They are not taking any convenience fee, but the payment gateway usually takes 6 rupees of the convenience pay fee. So once you click pay, you will be taken to this page. Here you will see Lot of options like HDFC debit card, HDFC credit card, other bank debit card, other bank credit card, other bank net banking. So you can choose any of these options. For this renewal, I'm using other bank credit card. I'm entering the details. So once you enter the details, click on pay now. You will see there is a gateway charges of 6 rupees and total is 306, and click pay. This will take you to the OTP page. There you have to enter the OTP to complete the payment process. Once you enter the OTP, click submit. Now payment successfully completed. You will see this message. Then you can click home button. This will again take you back here. Here you can search by using the name or AICF ID to check if the registration is successfully completed. So I'm entering AICF ID and search. You will see the entry here. If you go to view, you will see all other information that we have entered during the registration process. If you click show ID, you can also see photograph and AICF registration number and validity, which is March 31st, 2025 as a player. This is how you have to register as a new player. We have also made a video for the renewal process. The link is given in the description. Thank you for watching.